Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. If you have a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017, if you guys need to find where the fuses for the front right power seats are located, you have two different fuses, one that moves the seat forward and backwards and one that reclines it. So you need to check two fuses. It could be just one option that doesn't work on yours. It could be just a blown fuse. Sometimes if you have something stuck under the seat, or somebody's feet were in the way, somebody was pushing on the seat, or somebody heavier was sitting on it, fuses sometimes can blow or for no reason. So we'll explain where they're located, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's important to test fuses and realize that way don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses. You can see like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So where is the front right passenger power seat fuse located? We'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey. You guys have 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to work in just one fuse box that's under, okay, under the glove box on the passenger side, right there on the right side. You have 2 interior fuse boxes, one here, one on the driver's side, but we need the one on the passenger side. And if you come right there now, okay, there is a cover that you need to remove, and once you pop that cover open, you're going to see a fuse box like this one. That's the layout. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuses that you need to check specifically, guys, for the power seat, starting from the very right side in that first row right here, okay, we're going to have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 fuse right here, and fuse number 8. These 2 fuses, guys, will need to be checked. Okay, one is for moving the seat back and forward, the other one is for reclining the seat. 20 amp fuses. Now, if you still have problems, it could be a bad switch in some cases or a bad motor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.